Hey everyone, Sarah here today, and I am playing with Be the Rainbow from Colorcast Design, and I am going to make a pretty simple layout with quite a few circles. I do throw in some flowers, and this layout is all about flowers for me. I went ahead and cut my background down, and I'm gonna mat this on a piece of this cardstock here. I love those. Honestly, if you look at it, you could probably cut some of those into leaf shapes the way they are, and that'd be tons of leaves for a layout. Anyways, I'm going to rough up the edges, and I'm going to adhere it down to that white and green background with the geometric shapes on it, or design. Can't really talk today, apologize. But I'm going to go ahead and adhere this down, and then I've already got, if you've watched any of my other videos with this kit, I have got a ton of stuff that has been fussy cut out already. So I'm going to use quite a bit of that. But I've also punched some circles out of the background paper and of some other paper. So here I am starting to go ahead and add some of that back. I'm going to have the flowers going off the side, and it's going to really be a diagonal layout for the majority of it. Here are the bits and pieces that I had already cut out previously. I was just playing with the collection one night and decided to pop out some circles and stuff like that. And these were really the first flowers that really bloomed and stayed. And so we took some pictures of them, and they were gorgeous. It was so nice to finally see the flowers staying, because our year was so weird here in Arkansas. It would bloom and die, bloom and die. But these ones finally stayed, so we have beautiful flowers all over the place, and it's really nice to see. My daughters love these little white ones. They're not daisies. I'm not sure exactly what they are, but they kind of look like it with little spindly edges. But here I'm going ahead and gluing these circles down. Excuse my hand talking. I am on the computer with someone talking to them as well. So as of right now, I am not sure what... Oh, there we go. I was talking to someone and not paying attention to what I was doing. Please forgive me for that. I'm going to go ahead and hold this down so that it stays where I want it, especially since I already roughed up the edges. I'm going to add some 3D foam to the back of both of these pictures so I can pop them up and give the layout a little dimension. So I'll do that and go ahead and place them down. And then I'm going to go ahead and grab some of these. I'll glue that a little more so when I do trim it off, it stays right. But I'm also going to grab some of the wood veneer that are here in this kit. And they are just so cute. They are, I'm going to trim this first, apparently. Yes, I have forgot how I did this. I know that a lot of us do that. But I'm going to either be pulling out alphas, or I am going to grab the wood veneers, or glue my pictures down. That works too. So I'm going to go ahead and glue these and then move to one of the other two things. I'm not sure which one yet. Nope, wood veneers. These little butterflies are the cutest. They're so adorable. So I'm going to go ahead and glue these down because I do know that I want them on my layout. I'm going to glue some 3D foam behind different portions of these flowers and their petals. Really just behind the leaves and stuff. I'll probably just glue stuff down behind those. I'm going to go ahead and add these down. And that's not all that's done with them. I really thought about leaving them the way they were. But I decided against it. And I'm going to add some splatters. And I'm going to decide to paint some of my butterflies as well. And I really wanted a small title. I didn't want anything too big. I wanted this to be a really, really simple layout, something super easy. I just wanted to document these beautiful florals. So I went ahead and just pulled out some little alphas from my stash. And it's just going to be spring flowers. That's all this layout is going to be titled. So I'm going to go ahead and add those in two different colors of these little alphas because they match the flowers really well. So I went ahead and did that. And there was no reason for me to try to make sure they're straight because I can't find my T-squared ruler. So there's not really a point. So I just went ahead and made them all over the place. Playing with a few more things from the kit. I thought I might add the little rainbow and I decided against it. So I put that up and I'm just kind of going through trying to figure out what I want to do. Just going through the papers again. I thought I'm going to go ahead and fussy cut another one of these flowers out so that I have a little more blue. And I'm going to place it at the bottom of the white flowered photo. And I'm almost done there. And I'm just going to pop up that circle and slide it underneath. And then just add some little glue to it. I just wanted a little more of the blue in the center. I'm going to go ahead and place my letters back down again. And then I'm going to add a pink one in between the blue, 2 blue flowers. That way there's not a gap, because I really was not liking that gap. So I'm going to go ahead and place this down. And then I believe this is where I'm going to start splattering. Yep, right there up on my pegboard. I'm going to add some gold splatters here. And this is where I'm like, hey, I can paint my butterflies too. So on this one, I'm painting the little dots and the edges of the wings and the body. And then on this one, I'm painting the body and then a part of the wing. And I'll do just the center of the body on the full open butterfly. Oh, yep, because I went back and painted these. I just like the little bit of shine, and I figured why not add it to the butterflies. They're gorgeous. So I went ahead and just did it with my aqua pigments from my stash. And yes, I have a water bottle that I keep marked so that I can rinse my paintbrush off in it, so that I don't do it in my actual water bottle. Because yes, I've done that and almost drank it. Please don't judge me. But here I went ahead and got some really light blue so that it kind of matches the flowers. And I'm going to go ahead and paint a little bit of all 3 butterflies with this as well. Just a little bit here and there. And I have to say, the blue bleeds a little more. I don't know maybe I watered it down too much, but the gold didn't bleed. It looked perfect on there. But even with it bleeding a little bit, it doesn't look bad. And I love the little touch of blue and gold to all 3 butterflies. So it worked for me. I'm happy with it. I do not do blue splatters. I just added the blue to the butterflies. And I'll go ahead and wipe up my mess on my desk. And that finishes this layout. I really hope that you enjoy this. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to check out the Color Rush Studio shop and like and subscribe so you're notified when there's more uploads. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.